Hello, and welcome to the Online Groups Training video for Warn. This video will give you a short overview of the functionality that the online groups offer. Firstly, the features of the online groups. Groups are private and are not visible by people who are not members of or owners of the groups. An owner of the group has the authority to invite other members. Members of the group have the authority to read and write within the group. Each group features a blog. The blog allows members to post up updates and other members to comment on those updates. There's also a forum, which again facilitates threaded discussion around topics that the members wish to discuss. Finally, there is a file repository where any member can upload or share documents with other members of the group. It's important to note that the blog, the forum and the file repository are all private and only visible by people who are members of the group, as well as the site administrator. This video is going to talk about how to create a group, how to invite members to that group, how to post a blog, how to post a forum message, and how to upload a file. Firstly, how to create a group. This is a simple process which the site administrator begins. The administrator firstly creates the group. They then invite the group owner to join the group, and they grant this person owner privileges. Finally, the owner can then invite others to join the group, and the group can begin. We'll now show how this works. Once the administrator is logged in, they just navigate to the Community tab, where all the online groups functionality is housed. Here there are two items, Create a Group and My Groups. Only the site administrators have the ability to create a group. When you wish to create a group, just click this link. You're now presented with the Create a Group page. Firstly, the group requires a name. Secondly, it requires a brief description of no more than 140 characters. There is an option to list the group in a groups directory. However, given that all of our groups are private, there is no groups directory, so just simply uncheck this box. The group can be assigned a language. It's generally advisable to keep the language as language neutral so that any personal preferences for language will be recognised within the group. Then there is a larger option for a longer description of a group. This can be up to 3 paragraphs long and it is displayed at the top of the group's homepage. There are also options to make this group available during registration, which is normally not relevant. And lastly, the private group box should always be checked. Finally, the membership request option should be invite only, so that memberships must be created by the group administrator. All the other options are normally okay, so just click Save to continue and create the group. At the moment, our group is looking quite sparse. You can see that the title of the group is at the top of the page, and the description of the group is here. The next step is to invite the person who would like to be the group owner. Remember, the group owner has privileges to invite other members to the group. To do so, we click the One Member link here. Here we can see that at the moment, the admin is the only group member. To add members, simply click the Add Members button and type the name of the member you wish to add as an owner of the group. Once the member has been added, return to the list of members and you can click the Admin Create button to upgrade the member to owner status. Now that this member is an admin, they are able to invite other members that they wish to join the group, or you as the site administrator can do it through this interface. Once someone has been added to a group, if they navigate to the Community tab of the Warn website, they will see an option for My Groups. If they select this option, they are presented with a list of the groups that they are a member of. In this case, we're a member of the test group. They can then click into the test group and they're taken to the test group's homepage, and the test group's menu is supplied on the left hand side. Here they can create their group blog post, they can move to the group forums. As an administrator, we are able to manage the group forums. They can view other members, they can contact the manager or owner of the group, they can also manage their own membership, leaving the group if they wish, and finally they can access the file repository. Also available on the My Groups page is the Group Activity tab. By selecting this, a user is able to see all of the recent activity in all of the groups they are a member of. In our case, we can see that the administrator recently posted a comment in the test group. Simply click on the Create Group Blog Post link, then add a title for your blog post, and then insert some copy. Confirm that the group you wish to post to is selected, in our case the test group, then click Save. This blog post is then placed on the home page, so any members who visit the home page by clicking Test Group will see the first item of our blog post here beneath the group description. They can then click in, view the blog post, and can then add a new comment if they wish to do so. Each group also has a private forum. To access this, they come to the Groups menu and click on the Group Forums button. At the moment our forum is empty, so we will create a new topic. As usual, the forum topic must have a subject or title, and also some content. Ensure that the correct group is selected in the Forums box, and then click Save. This forum post has now been posted, and other users can come here and add a comment if they wish by clicking the Reply button. As well as the blogs and forum functionality, there is also a Group Files section. The Group Files section is a repository accessible only by group members. As we are logged in as the administrator, you can see that we have access to all of the test groups. However, individuals will only have access to the groups to which they are members. In our case, we will enter the test group folder. At the moment, there are no files uploaded, so we click the File Upload button, select the file that we wish to share with other members, and then click the Upload button. As you can see, the file has now been uploaded, and any group member can come to the file manager and click the file name to view the file. We hope this video has been helpful in showing the functionality that online groups offer on the WARM website. Thank you for listening.